How to make your liked videos private on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. As I just said, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your liked videos private so that other people that follow you won't be able to see the posts that you like. If this sounds helpful to you, then stick till the end and let's get straight into it. Open up your TikTok app. Now you'll need to tap on your profile icon on the bottom right and head over to the three lines on the top right of the screen. Tap on settings and privacy and head over to the privacy option, which is the second option from the top. Now if you scroll down, you'll see an option or a section of liked videos. If yours is also on followers, you can tap on that and instead of followers, choose only me. Now this way other people won't be able to see your liked videos. If you didn't know, liked videos can be seen from this section. If you tap on this heart icon, here you can see all of your liked videos. Now as you have disabled your liked videos to only me, other people won't be able to see this section and only you will be able to view all your liked videos. So that was the process on how to make your liked videos private on TikTok. If you guys found this video helpful, do like our video and also subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications because we upload similar kind of videos on a regular basis. And that's about it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.